Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how you can easily use the reverse wireless charging. At first you need to open the settings. Now scroll down to the battery. Here scroll down again till you see wireless power sharing. Make sure that this is enabled. Now we've got ready to charge. Of course, I forgot to mention, here we've got every single information like battery limit and how to put the phone, but I will show you this, how to put the phone. You can unfold your phone, you don't have to, but you can. And now you need to put the thing that you want to charge right here. You need to touch this area. I think my iPhone is too big for this. However, I think we can achieve this. I don't want to scratch it because it's too fresh. Okay, I won't show you this because it's too fresh, but that's how to do it. As you can see here, we've got this tutorial. Okay, I think it's just disabled, that's why we couldn't charge it, because I exited. Okay, oh, it's enabled still. We need to place our device right here. That's it, bye.